Hello, I am Dr. Manish Singhal, Medical Oncologist, Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi and Noida. So the question is, what are the treatment options for a breast cancer patient? Well, it all depends on the stage of the patient. Thankfully, most of the breast cancer patients are detected in operable stage, that is early stage where the cancer is still operable. Almost 90% of the patients do come in a stage where their cancer can be removed by surgery. So the first and the foremost important treatment of breast cancer is surgery. Generally, most patients after surgery would require some form of chemotherapy also to prevent breast cancer recurrence. Well, if I were to tell you that surgery has not really changed a lot from the yesteryears. In 1980, surgery was the only treatment of breast cancer, and the 5-year survival rate of breast cancer was about 30% only. But in today's world, we are seeing 5-year survival rate of 80 to 90%, and that's the result of chemotherapy in breast cancer. Not all patients of breast cancer require chemotherapy, although most do. There are certain subtypes of breast cancer which are very low grade, in which chemotherapy can be avoided. But yes, after surgery, most patients will require chemotherapy, and some of them will require radiotherapy also. Generally, the indication of radiotherapy is if their nodes, that is lymph nodes in the axilla, are positive, or the size of the breast lesion is more than 5 centimeters, or they have undergone a breast conservation surgery. That means the entire breast has not been removed. So these are the indications of radiotherapy. And after radiotherapy, generally patients who are positive for their hormone receptor on the breast cancer cells will require hormone therapy for about 5 to 10 years, depending on their risk of recurrence. So this entails the entire therapy of breast cancer. That is surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and then hormone therapy, with which we are able to cure almost 80 to 90% of breast cancers if they are detected real early in their stages.